Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka sorkar Meghalaya kalapan pau ikajing aunut ka jongka ban penklan ya katanat Jngohkai perthei lingba kajing penroy ya kajing tei kajing kershan ikinong shimbenta bad kajing temu bane ha kajing ekren bad kinong mikmat jongka Indian Association of Tour Operators komshibenta jongka program Jngohkai perthei haba ain jingkren ha kini Jngohkai umentri katanat Jngohkai perthei utimothi di Shira ulakubur ya kabenta ba kongsan balale da kinong pinya ya ki kam Jngohkai perthei ha ka ba Kyntiew ya ka Jylla Meghalaya kum ka jaka Jngohkai perthei ka ba pau ba thau ki lat kamai jakpo na kamenta kinong shongshnong u Timothy ula pentip ba ka sorkar kala penmang ya ka jingira pisa ka ba kot komba lai point hendriu ar klur tingka ha kini ki lai snem jong kamang tingka baladep shaki nong pinya ya ki kam Jngohkai perthei ba kinong shimbenta ha ka kam Jngohkai perthei lingba ki travel mart ki Jngohkai perthei bat ki Jngohkai penbena padba u commissioner and secretary jongkatna Jngohkai perthei u Vijay Kumar D ula batai ya kalenti ya jongka Jylla bat ki jingtmu penroy ya ki jingtei ula penpau baka Jylla ka ba khlem don ya ki hotel 5 star sunsnem menchua minta ka don artali ki hotel 5 star ki bala treikam mat sautali ki banangshna hagani ka program lawan banishim penta do president ka Iato u Ravi Gusain u senior vice president u Rashnish Kaishtha u secretary u Sunil Mishra u Iato Meghalaya state in charge u Eusebius Banlumlang Bla bad Kiwei kinong ishimbenta ha kakam Jngohkai perthei.
Efforts are on, but I think we have a lot to learn. Our tour operators, I think we need to strengthen our tour operators. Please tell us how we can, kind of help strengthen the tour operators. In fact, this is one of the stakeholders which I feel we have not, kind of focused much, though we interact on a very regular basis. So we'd like to strengthen the, tour operators because ultimately you'll have to get these high-paying tourists, long-staying tourists, and make them, stay longer in the state. So we definitely, like to work on that. And we look forward to all the the support and whatever possible partnerships that we can have. So that when you presented us this book said Odisha, I was asking why Odisha. So maybe someday you'll have to present Meghalaya. Maybe we can do an annual conference here and you take the Meghalaya story and present it everywhere across the country. So I think everything is possible here. I always keep saying our Honorable Chief Minister was the Tourism Minister during that COVID time. Since then, we started a number of initiatives and now a lot of these initiatives have grown bigger. In music, we have done a number of interesting things. And similarly with craft and art, if you see our Meghalayan Age store in Delhi in Baba Kadak Singh Marg, I think I urge all of you, and maybe we'll kind of send you a link or something, or if you in fact tell us, we could organize a little program for you. I can very confidently say we have the most beautiful state store in Delhi. Please visit that. That tells something about the stories of Meghalaya, about the work that has happened with art, with craft, and all those things. So there's a lot of potential. Very happy to hear what you said, and very happy to engage further and take this and build a partnership and take it to greater heights.
At the interactive session, calm dinner organized as part of the familiarization tour of the Indian Associations of Tour Operators, Iato, to Meghalaya. On behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I extend a very warm welcome to the distinguished office bearers, executive committee members, tour operators, and tourism stakeholders from across the country. We are delighted to host you in our beautiful state, the abode of cloud. I want to express my profound appreciation to Iato in choosing Meghalaya for this familiarization tour on this occasion. Such initiative provides an excellent platform for strengthening partnership between destination and the trade while creating new opportunities for tourism growth. Tour operators have been among our strongest partners in promoting Meghalaya to travelers across India and beyond. Your contribution has been instrumental in the growth of tourism in the state and in creating livelihood opportunities for local communities. Recognizing this important role, the government of Meghalaya has constantly supported the tourism fraternity through financial assistance for participation in travel trade, shows, promotional activities, and capacity building initiatives. The travel trade has been an important partner in tourism growth story. Many of the operators over the last 3 financial years support amounting to approximately 3.62 crores has been extended to tour operators and tourism stakeholders of the state to participate in various trade market fairs and similar programs held across various states and beyond. Last year alone, the department extended support of 1.42 crores in this area. We have also integrated tour operators into our official tourism website and the MTIMEF, helping improve their visibility and connect them directly with potential visitors. Our flagship events and festivals, including the Cherry Blossom Festival, Megong Festival, Meghalaya Literature Festival, and several others, have emerged as key drivers of tourism growth in the state. These events attract visitors from across the country, create opportunities for the development of new travel packages, encourage longer visitor stays, and generate substantial business opportunity for tour operators and other tourism stakeholders. Apart from the prominent festival organized by the department, we also support indigenous festivals like Satsut Meshim, Wangala Festival, Bedding Claim, Sat Nong Claim, with financial assistance ranging from the tune of 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs. And this kind of celebration draws in large visitors to experience culture, customary, and traditional tourism. Now we have ventured into new trends like wine tourism, adventure tourism, culinary tourism, which will only serve to expand the tourism attraction in the state and will bring in more business for our tour operators. To support this growth, the government is investing significantly in tourism infrastructure and destination development. Major tourist circuits are being developed across the state, including the Uniam circuit, with investment of over 683.53 crores. The Soda circuit, with investment exceeding 673 crores, and New Shillong circuit with investment exceeding 538.78 crores, and Tura circuit with investment of over 244 crores. This project include destination enhancement, visitor facilities, tourism hub, resort, experimental attraction, convention infrastructure, and ecotourism development designed to create world-class tourism experiences. Other parts of focus in Garo region include Shiju and the Shubelpara circuit. These circuits are interconnected with investment in road infrastructure, expansions of Shillong Airport so as to increase the duration of stay. This initiative will provide more business opportunities for tour operators in the state to curate and promote innovative travel packages. We greatly value our partnership with travel trade and remain committed to working closely with industries, stakeholders through regular dialogue and collaboration to further strengthen Meghalaya's tourism sector. Once again, I thank Iato for organizing this familiarization tour and for its continued support.